everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Meg, and today we're learning all about Scorpio. In today's astrology journey, we are covering Scorpio. It is Scorpio season. My moon sign is Scorpio, so I am really feeling it. I'm excited. I feel like it gives us all the fall spooky Halloween vibes. So today I'm going over, you're going to get to see how I created this Scorpio inspired makeup look while I drop some facts about the sign. I go over general information on Scorpio, career, love, money, family, friends. I go over likes, dislikes, and I always wrap up with the creepiest thing about your sign. All my sources are always linked down below, and so will the playlist for this series. If you'd like to see from Aries until now and binge the videos, please feel free to do so. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next installment. So before I go any further, I always start my videos off by saying there's so much more to you than just your sun sign. You have an entire birth chart if you are looking to understand more of that. If you were like, what the hell is a Scorpio moon? What does that mean? Check out my other video, Astrology 101 for Beginners. It's on my other channel, and if you'd like more astrology themed videos, let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to know about, and I can try my best to put that out there for you. So your big three are your sun, your moon, and your rising. So when you're going through these videos, you may have a Scorpio moon or a Scorpio rising, and you may relate to things in this video. So if you have Scorpio anywhere in your chart, let me know. Do you agree? Do you disagree? I am interested to see what this information says about Scorpio. Since it's my moon, I do tend to relate a lot. So without further ado, let's get into it. I start off each video talking about the color spectrum of the sign, and to no surprise, things are a little dark for Scorpio. Let me turn my brightness all the way up so we can differentiate between the different shades of gray and dark colors. So over here we have black, a dark gray, a medium gray, a burgundy red. We have a couple different shades of red through here, and then we also have a really dark forest green, a medium tone green, again almost like a more purpley toned burgundy color that's there, a really dark purple, a really dark blue, kind of a teal color, like an olive green, and then a light silver gray. So I decided to pick up from the dark red color with my lips, and then on my eyes I ended up using a dark green eyeshadow, a navy blue eyeshadow, silver obviously, and I thought this winged liner, I always had envisioned to do a cool graphic liner for Scorpio. So now that we know what our color palette is that we're working with, let's get into the tutorial and learning some facts about Scorpio. Scorpio season runs from October 23rd to November 21st. Ruling planets are Mars and Pluto. Scorpio actually ruled Mars until Pluto was discovered. Strengths of Scorpio include being resourceful, brave, passionate, stubborn, and a true friend. Weaknesses include distrusting, jealous, secretive, and violent. Scorpio likes truth, facts, being right, long-time friends, teasing, and grand passion. Scorpios dislike dishonesty, secrets being revealed, and passive people. Scorpio-born people are passionate and assertive. They are determined and decisive and will research until they find out the truth. Y'all are a bunch of little investigators. Scorpio is a great leader, always aware of the situation, and always features prominently in resourcefulness. Scorpio is a water sign and lives to experience and express emotions. Although emotions are very important for Scorpio, they manifest them differently than other water signs. In any case, you can be sure that the Scorpio will keep your secrets, whatever they may be. Pluto is the planet of transformation and regeneration, and also the ruler of the Zodiac sign. Scorpios are known by their calm and cool behavior and by their mysterious appearance. People often say those who are Scorpio born are fierce, probably because they understand the rules of the universe very well. They are excellent leaders because they are very dedicated to what they do. Scorpios hate dishonesty, and they can be very jealous and suspicious, so they need to learn how to adapt more easily to different human behaviors. Scorpios are brave and therefore they have a lot of friends. This sign is directly associated with the underworld, so they're right at home in the darkest of places. But it's not about dwelling here forever. Scorpio the Scorpion is all about transformation, and their ultimate goal is to bring all that's hidden into the light. Scorpio thrives in a world of passion, depth, questions, and answers. The Scorpion isn't interested in what's sitting right on the surface. They want to dig down to get to the real treasures that lie beneath. Intense and steadfast, this sign's lifelong mission is to rebuild itself over and over again, creating, in the end, the most aware, insightful, and capable soul imaginable. Scorpios in love. Scorpio is the most sensual sign of the zodiac. Scorpios are extremely passionate, and intimacy is very important to them. They want intelligent and honest partners. Once Scorpios fall in love, they are very dedicated and faithful. However, they enter into a relationship very carefully because sometimes they need a lot of time to build trust and respect for their partners. Scorpio friends and family. Honesty and fairness are the two qualities that make Scorpio a great friend. People born under the Scorpio sign are very dedicated and loyal when it comes to working. They are quick-witted and intelligent, so they would feel better to be in the company of witty and fun-loving people. They are full of surprises and will give you everything you need, but if you let them down once, there's no return. Scorpios are very emotional, so when they are in pain, it is simply impossible to make them feel better. They are very dedicated and they take good care of their family. Scorpio career and money. Scorpios are fantastic in management, solving, and creating. When a Scorpio sets a goal, there is no giving up. Scorpios are great in solving tasks that require a scientific and thorough approach. Their ability to focus with determination makes them very capable managers. They never mix business with friendship. Jobs such as a scientist, physician, researcher, sailor, detective, cop, business manager, and psychologist are appropriate for this powerful zodiac sign. Scorpio respects other people, so they expect to be respected in return. Scorpios are disciplined enough to stick to the budget, but they are also not afraid to work hard to bring themselves into a better financial position. However, they are not inclined to spend too much. Money means security and a sense of control for them, which means they are good at saving money and make decisions carefully before investing. What we love about Scorpios. Scorpio is a passionate and intense sign with a magnetic personality that draws us in. Sometimes it feels like they can see right into your soul. Why Scorpios drive us nuts. When a Scorpio's passion gets the best of them, they can become jealous and controlling. Advice for Scorpios. Be careful of lashing out at others with your intense feelings, but also prevent hurting yourself by keeping too much inside. Scorpio celebrities include Emma Stone, Ryan Reynolds, Leonardo DiCaprio, Katy Perry, who is a triple Scorpio, Ryan Gosling, Scarlett Johansson, Matthew McConaughey, Hillary Clinton, and Julia Roberts. Now it is time for my favorite part of the video, the creepiest thing about a Scorpio, and this one is a little bit of a doozy. It's pretty intense. I have a feeling Scorpios are not going to agree or they're not going to want to admit to it. But apparently Scorpio has very scary thoughts. This Bustle article states that Mars ruled Scorpio until the discovery of Pluto, and since Pluto represents Hades, the Greek god of the underworld, Scorpio is often viewed as the darkest sign in the zodiac. So what is going on inside that dark Scorpio mind? Apparently Scorpio has violent fantasies. And even though they might never act them out, some Scorpios can't keep their dark thoughts away. Apparently, Scorpio has violent fantasies, and even though they might never act them out, some Scorpios can't keep their dark thoughts away. When you're holding a small animal, thoughts flash through your mind of how easy it would be to strangle it. Or when you see a child playing away from their parents in the park, you consider how simple it might be to kidnap the child. Wow, Scorpios, seriously? This is an intense one. Of course, you would never do these things and would never act out your most violent thoughts, but you can't help but to think about them. The good news, Scorpio, is that you can take comfort that it is all in your head. Wow, that was probably the most intense, creepiest thing about your sign that we have come across in this Zodiac calendar. So let me know your thoughts on this information. If you relate to anything, I would love to hear it. That is gonna wrap it up for today's astrology video. Let me know in the comments down below, what did you guys think? Did you think it was true? Did you think it was harsh? Do you think Scorpio got off easy? Do you really feel like Scorpios are misunderstood? Because that is what I think. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you again so much for taking the time out of your day to hang out with me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Don't mind the background noise. It's a beautiful day. I happen to have all my windows open, so hopefully it's not translating too much onto camera. But yes, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.